Bonjour mes amis. Nous allons faire lesson 2. We are going to do lesson 2. Le nom de lesson is je m'appelle. My name is. You know, when we are going to introduction, when we are introducing ourselves to someone, so these are the basic dialogues which we should use. Okay? Salut, hi, hello. Como tu t'appelles? Como t'appelles tu? What is your name? And the second person is going to reply in the same way. Salut, je m'appelle Leah. My name is Leah. Et toi? What is your name? Et toi means you are asking the same question. Je m'appelle Kevin. You know, this is a picture of two students. They are standing in front of school, right? And this is the school of in France. In the next picture, you can see one person, one man, and one man, ma'am is there. They are talking. Sir is saying, Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Michael. Comment vous appelez-vous? Ma'am, my name is Michael. What is your name? And ma'am is replying, Bonjour, monsieur. Je m'appelle Michelle. My name is Michelle. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Both are repeating. Here, one boy with a cake. Very beautiful cake is there. And the ma'am is asking, Quel âge tu? What is your age? And the boy is replying, Je disons, I am 10 years old. You can count the candle as well. It's a cake for birthday. And this is the scene, I think. Can you guess? Aeroplane scene, right? So outside you can see some clouds and they are talking to each other. Person is asking, "Oh, abitevu," the nearby, neighbor who is sitting next to you. "Oh, abitevu." She is replying, "Jabit a Paris." I am. I live in Paris. You can change the sentence according to you. Jabit a Gurgaon. Jabit a Sector 70. Jabit a Haryana. And here they are asking to each other. J'habite à Strasbourg et vous, madame? J'habite à Lyon. Right? Next, moving to the next page. Okay, Retanir. You know, in the 5th class we have done this. This is the one game based on counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Désolé. And these are the few important words at the backside of your lessons. This is the lesson 1 or lesson 2? Lesson 2, right? As is. It's a preposition used for in, to, or at. Ears. A verb. Chateau, castle, big palace. Église, church. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Appelé, when you are spell something, when you're telling the spelling. Habite, habite. These are the words when we used for living. Musée, museum. Neuf or now, new. Nom, surname. Où, where. Palais, palace. Parc d'attraction, amusement park. Prénom, first name. Que or quel. What and which. M'appelle, t'appelle, vous appelez. My name is. For our own name, my m'appelle. When you are asking the second person name, t'appelle. And when some seniors is there, when you are asking their name, vous appelez. Sortie, outing. S'il te plaît, please. S'il te plaît, s'il vous plaît, please. Tu, you, informal. Vous, you, informal. And the next one, we are moving to the exercise part. Tick the correct answer. Salut, como ça va? He is asking, how are you? So, reply should be très bien, et toi? You know, in conversation, accordingly, what person is asking, you need to reply. He is asking, how are you? So, you should say, I am fine. Bonjour, como allez-vous? How are you? He is asking, como allez-vous? How are you? So, je vais bien. Au revoir, bye bye. When somebody is saying bye bye, we will reply bye bye. Okay, we can't say salut. Salut when you meet someone. But here he is using au revoir, so reply should be au revoir. And here he is asking, quel âge as tu? Age is asking. So you should reply answer of age. J Dizo, I am 10 years old. U abite wu, where do you live? जाबीत नीस आबिते लिविंग पूछ रहा तो यू नीड टू टेल लिविंग वे यू लिविंग डोंट टेल द नेम ओके अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू रिप्लाई सेकंड कन्वर्सेशन बोंजुर मताम como vous appelez-vous comment vous appelez vous comment vous appelez-vous What is your name? Apple matlab when you are asking the name. Je m'appelle Valerie. Name is asking. So answer is m'appelle Valerie is name. Evu. And what is your name? Je m'appelle Michael. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Next. Comment t'appelles tu? So tu is informal. So we are using salut. Salut. Comment t'appelles tu? Je m'appelle Ludovic. Ludo, oh, appelle, s'il te plaît, spell please, s'il te plaît, please. So here we are telling the spelling Ludovic. Et toi and yours, je m'appelle Lia. Où habites-tu? Where do you live? J'habite à Paris. Question according to you need to reply. Okay. Question number third. Numbers are given. You just need to write in order. 2, 4, 6, 8, 11. 3, 5, 7, this, those. Very simple. Complete. So counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these, 11, those, up to 12, there is a counting. And here, écoute et complète. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ça va bien et toi? 4, 5, 6, je m'appelle Francis. 7, 8, 9, j'ai un stylo neuf. New stylo. This 11, 12, j'habite à Toulouse. Toulouse is a city. I live in city. I am Toulouse city. Right? Okay. Now, this coin phonetic. So, when you are asking something, your voice is modulating in a higher pitch. Como ça va? Como ça va? And where you are replying, ça va. Same pitch is going there. But when you are asking, higher pitch. Como t'allez-vous? Como t'allez-vous? Je vais bien. Comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle Kevin. Comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle Kevin. Quel âge as-tu? J'ai 10 ans. Où habites-tu? J'habite à Nice. So you can see, you can change your voice modulation a little bit higher when you are asking the question, and when you are answering, then it should be normal, same way. And these are the few famous places. You must read about these in your 5th class. La Tour Eiffel, it's a monument. Église La Sacré-Cœur, the Pure Heart church, it is a church. Let Arc de Triomphe, like the India Gate, okay, monument, it is a monument. And cathedral is used for a bigger type of church. It is a one type of church, okay, you can say bigger church. And it is the cathedral is Notre Dame de Paris. Notre Dame de Paris. Notre Dame is Our Lady of Paris. And Disneyland, it's a amusement park. Chateau is Le Château de Versailles, right? And next is Le Futuroscope. This is a park, the attraction, amusement park. And Le Puy de Fou park, the attraction, amusement park. La Louvre is very, very famous museum in Paris. And Palais de Pape, it's a palace. Okay. And Chateau is castle. And this is a palace. And here you need to complete this exercise. You need to find out monument, amusement park, chateau, palais, cathedral, église or museum.